is my summer mantle. Yes, that painting was done by me. I'm still working on my painting. It's not the best, but I think it turned out pretty cute. So I decided to hang it on above my mantle this year for the summertime. It's of an old barn and some sunflowers and a windmill. And we'll do a close-up of that and the mantle. These are just 3 candles. I have some pipe berries back here and some star lights, because you know I love lights on my mantle. And a sign that says, America, God shed his grace on thee. And of course there's my cute little birdies. They're Uncle Sam birdies. The USA flag. And this is a watering can with sunflowers, geraniums, and little daisies. And a fun little bow. I put that there to match my sunflowers on my painting. And if you see, my painting has little tiny red sunflowers growing up the fence. But that is my painting. And here is my mantle. Isn't it pretty? I sure enjoyed making it, and I sure enjoyed painting the painting that goes above it. So I can't wait to enjoy this all summer long with my red, white, and blue patriotic mantle. I hope you enjoyed it too.